What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a senior shoot here at the Capitol in Charleston. We're going to do some cap and gown, some basic portraits. It is super cloudy today, so we're just going to get some really soft light portraits, and we're hopefully get some good images, so stay tuned. If you guys do wonder, this video is sponsored by Morning Glory Flowers. There's going to be a link in the description below, and we'll see you next time. All right, that's awesome. Go ahead and look over your shoulder. Happy, ha 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 ha. Fix your hair. All right, let's go back a little bit and just walk towards me, just happy, okay? Yeah, and then go a little bit back, a little bit farther. Yep. Yep, and big smiles, and go. Happy.
Don't be sad. Just do what you do.
Yeah, she.
I'm just trying to help. Okay. I mean, I want you to help. Yeah. I'm just frustrated. It's good. You're doing great.
No, we're on like plenty of time.
Okay.
Yeah, we got plenty of time.
Yep.
Like it won't get dark for like till 8. Okay. So we're chilling.
Okay.
I got nothing better to do. All right, I'm off for the next 10 days. We're chilling. Yeah. So okay, that's good. Okay, I want to do one more. I think here. I think the portrait will look really good. Okay. So just kind of like what you're doing right now with your legs is good. Let's do just kind of like maybe hold your arms and then just like chin up a little bit.
Sorry.
No, you're good. And then look directly at the camera, chin up. It's awesome. And then just a serious one, chin up. Chin up. And eyes open.
No lazy eye.
That looks awesome. There's a really good like green behind you right now.
Okay.
See, you got this.
Oh, I like those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that all that
yeah.
green right there? We can like really pull. That's good.
Okay.
That actually looks like you're in front of the White House or something, which is.
Oh yeah. I love.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have faith in me. I'll have faith in you.
Okay,
That's all it is.
I do.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Ready?
Ready.
Ready. All right. So we'll just go up here. Oh, I gotta get my phone. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
Gotta get the poses. Okay, so some of the poses that I was just like looking at, it's pretty simple, but also includes like the caps. The cap,
Okay.
you would hold it like that. That way you read it.
Yeah.
And then we got this,
Oh, I like that.
where you kind of like, you know, show a little bit of movement, and then you can do that too. That's like very similar dress that you got on too. So it's a vibe.
Okay. Love.
All right. All right. So we'll do the one that's like holding the cap first. So let's get you like right in the middle of this like square.
Okay.
So about like right here, facing this way. You're just gonna go cross legs, yep. And then you're just gonna like hold it down a little bit more. There you go, down, down, big smiles, happy. There you go. See what we got going on here. Okay, and yep, that's good. Look away to the other side. Perfect. It's good. Just need to square up here. All right, look away. Yep, look back. All right. No, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's so blue. Like.
It is very, very blue.
Yeah, so I got like that.
Okay.
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 So then, you good? Okay. All right. Sweet. And then let's definitely get one where you kind of like, you hold the cap out a little bit more. That way you definitely want to like cheese with that.
I like your soft smile there. But not RBF. How, is this good? Yes.
All right, and drop it down just a little bit. There you go, perfect. And then let me focus on it. Actually bring it up a little bit more. Up, 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 up.
Oh, the wind is blowing perfect.
It's like wants to focus on your face so bad. All right, go ahead and just drop it. Just put it down to the side. Happy, face this way. There you go, and then
I just feel like it's like taking over. Does it look like it's taking over? No, but you could like.
your gown.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Here, I'll show you. Let's see. So she's walking with this one. See how like it's kind of like tucked over? You can do the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can even grab it too to the side.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah. 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 Okay, so just kind of like face more this way, cross over. Yeah. Yes. Yep. Yep. Down to the side. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. And big smiles. Look over your left shoulder. And hold it right there. Big smiles. That's good. Okay. Let's do the movement one where you can like kind of like flip the gown and stuff.
Okay.
So let's do that over here. Let's get you like right about right there. And she was going this way. I don't know if she had the cap on. Yeah, she had the cap on. You're
Okay.
ready to rock that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which way? How do I put this on? I don't want to mess up.
All right, so we ready? All right, let me see. Okay, ready and go. Okay, so when you do it, just kind of like turn a little bit more. That way when you whip, it's going to be like more facing me. Does that make sense?
Like this?
So no, you're just going to start the movement back more. So you're just going to start like this. That way you're coming that way. That way when you start here, you're not whipping and your back's to me. Does that make sense? Okay, so you're going to start facing more like right here.
Okay.
That way when I got like the gown here, you want to whip this, cheese.
Okay.
Yeah, that way you're not starting here and you're cheesing and it's all gown. Does
Okay.
that make sense?
Yeah.
Because we want to see the dress.
All right. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. So we got Lauren in full mom mode right now. Yep. Okay, ready? Yeah, so you're just gonna start a little bit more and then go ahead and whip right there. Yeah, perfect, because when you're in that motion, that's gonna look like straight on to me more. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, ready? All right, let me just fix this real quick. Change that to that. All right, ready? And big smiles and go. Yes, perfect. That was perfect. That was perfect. Yep. And go. Yep. Okay, let's do the. You would do the opposite way.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
So I start more this way.
Correct. Yep. And go. Yes.
So cutesy.
No, that was perfect. Let's do it one more time.
Cutesy girl.
And go. Yep, that's good. All right, guys, we are back. We're going to shoot here at this location right here real quick. The model is actually, she's getting into like this cool like little AC/DC casual like outfit, and I'm really excited. We just shot here a couple minutes ago, and let me put the camera right here. And she had like a white dress on, so it was good too. But I gotta change my battery out. I'm already through one battery here. I am using the A7R boom with the 85 1.4, and then I got my little nifty 50 with me all the time. The 85 is like really good for like just portrait. You want to get that real cool bokeh effect, but I mean, yeah, I think this is gonna be a good shot. She's really awesome. Posing's really easy for her. So I've been doing college graduation ones, which you probably saw that I've done down in Marshall and stuff, but high school is a little bit different. Like you can't pop champagne, you can't do some things, so you gotta get a little bit more creative. But like for me, I just like to do a little bit more of the simple shots. Woo. Yeah. Lauren, I'm just gonna hire you to do all my stuff. Okay. That's awesome though. Okay. Yeah, just go a little bit higher with your. There you go. Perfect. Look away.
I want it to always look luminous.
Okay, look it back at camera, and go the other way. There we go. Yeah. Now go like behind, and then just like kind of like grab a little bit higher up to your elbow. There you go. Big smiles, happy. Yeah, so kind of like turn your whole body that way. There you go. That way when you bring your shoulders to me, there you go. Perfect. Chin up. That looks awesome. Look over your left shoulder a little bit more. There you go. Look back at me. Yeah, and then look that way. And then back at me. Look over that way, and then back at me.
Camera loves you, girl.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, so you got that.
You don't like the shirt tuck? No, I do like the shirt tuck. I just don't like the pose as much. Oh, yeah. I like the full fit. Whenever you get the full.
Okay, let's do that then.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Okay. I also want to try that squatting move. Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah. Okay, let's move this way then. Let's get the grate out of the way. So okay. Come there, about right here. Perfect. Yep.
That's good. You don't need to first.
Okay. What you just did. Yep. There you go. Perfect. Look away. Okay, I'm just gonna get closer, just as a set. Yep, there you go. Look away. Look back at the camera. Happy. Chin up. Okay, and then keep it up right there. Yeah, this is perfect. Happy. Yep, happy. Oh, this is great. All right, go ahead and just like reset your legs. So just go back to normal. What if you just like had it like that, the way you had it, and just hands in your pocket? Yeah, and then just pop right there. Yep. It was very like punk.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cute.
Yeah.
Okay, actually I do like this. I do like that one. Okay. I changed my mind.
All right, guys, so that is a wrap on this shoot. This is Maya right there. And so,
Hi.
what did you think of the shoot?
Oh my gosh, you're so great. It was so much fun. I had so much fun.
No, it's awesome. Make sure to follow the Instagram, follow the Facebook. All those links is going to be in the description below, including Maya's. It was an awesome day. We did have cloudy weather, like I said at the very beginning, but we was able to work with some different shots and different poses, and it's really good. So make sure to stay tuned for those. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.